Hello friends, I am Dr Prema B Sejekan. This is the 6th lesson of Mathematics Tricks and Fun. Here we will learn the squaring of same digits like 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, like that. Once we know the technique, however long the number with the same digits is, we can square it. In this slide, squaring of 111 is shown. First, we will count the digits in the question. Totally, there are 6 digits. So, mark 6 dots with a small gap in the middle after 3. Then, we will multiply first lateral digits. 1 multiplied by 1 is 0. 0, 1. We will place 0 on the multiplicand side and lateral most dot and 1 on the lateral dot on the multiplier side. Then we will start from the sides adding 1 to the previous digits. On the multiplicand side, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 1 plus 1 is 2. So since 3 dots are filled, we'll stop here. Then we will start multiplier side lateralmost. 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 1, 2, 3. Thus 3 dots are also filled up. Thus the answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. Then squaring of 1111. There are 8 digits here. The answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. In the third example, there are 3 digits on the multiplicand side and 2 digits on the multiplier side. So the answer is 0, 1, 2, 2, 1. 2 in the middle for the extra digits place. How did we get the extra digit place 2? Multiplicand side, that is 0, is added with medial digit 2 on the multiplier side, or you can add medial digit on the multiplicand side 1 added with lateral digit 1 on the multiplier side. 1 plus 1 is 2 or 0 plus 2 is 2. In the other example, there are 6 digits on one side and 3 digits on the other. That is, 3 digits are extra. So starting from the multiplicand side 0, 1, 2 and multiplier side laterally 1, 2, 3. Now middle 3 digits, what will we place there? 0 plus 3 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 0, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 1. Same way we will proceed with 2. 22 multiplied by 22 is 0484. In these examples, the increase is by the same digits from both sides as in arithmetic progression. In the second example, totally 9 digits are there. There is 1 extra digits on one side. So you mark dots in 3 groups. Extra digit is placed on the middle dot. Now working from either side, 2 into 2 is 0, 4. 0 is placed on the multiplicand side and 4 on the multiplier side. Adding 4 to each from both sides. Multiplicand side 0, 4, 8, 12 and multiplier side will add up. Answer is 4, 8, 12, 16. Now what will be the middle digit? 0 plus 16 is 16. 4 plus 2, 12 is 16. So we will place 16 in the middle and all added together will then give the answer as 0, 4, 9, 3, 7, 7, 2, 8, 4. Here there are 14 digits, that is 7 on one side, 7 digits on the multiplier side. The answer is 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Starting from the lateral of multiplier side, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. So thus the answer is 0, 4, 9, 3, 8, 2, 7, 0, 6, 1, 7, 2, 8, 4. Five multiplied by 2 gives 10. So first what we'll do, 1 on the lateral side of the multiplicand and 0 on the lateral side of the multiplier. Then go on adding 1 from both sides to the numbers. So there are totally 14 digits here. So 7 on the multiplicand side, 7 on the multiplier side. So adding 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We'll stop there. Then from this side, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then stop. So the total answer will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Here 444 multiplied by 444. First we will take the digit 4. 4 into 4, 16. Now on the multiplicand side we will place 1 laterally and 6 on the multiplier side laterally. Now add 7. How did we get 7? 1 plus 6 is 7. That is called the digital sum. Add 7 to 1, 8 we get. 8 plus 7, 15, like that. And on the multiplier side, we'll add 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 7, 20, like. So the answer is 1, 8, 15. From the multiplier side, 6, 13, 20. Totally, the answer is 197, 136. Same way, squaring of 4 5s, that is 5555 multiplied by 5555. Totally 8 digits are there. 5 into 5 is 25. So 2 is placed on the multiplicand side laterally and 5 on the multiplier side laterally. Then add 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. Like that. So multiplicand side 2, 9, 16, 23. Then we will start on the multiplier side. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 plus 7 is 19. Like that. So 5, 12, 19, 26. So totally adding together we get the answer 308, 58025. In the coming classes, squaring of 7s, 8s and also multiplication of unequal numbers like 777 multiplied by 4 7s or 4 5s multiplied by 2 5s, etc. will be discussed. Thank you.